Did you know a year on Jupiter equates to 11.8 Earth years? That's right, Jupiter's year is much longer than ours due to its vast distance from the Sun, resulting in a significantly longer orbit. Now, imagine if we were to use Jupiter's calendar. Our birthdays would come around less frequently, only once every 11.8 Earth years. But what does this extended year mean for Jupiter's weather patterns? Well, Jupiter's prolonged journey around the Sun makes for some unique and extreme seasons. You see, Jupiter's atmosphere is a tempestuous mix of clouds and powerful storms, some even producing lightning strikes. And these aren't your average storms. We're talking about colossal oval-shaped tempests, whipped up by the planet's internal heat and rapid rotation. The most famous of these is the Great Red Spot, a high-pressure system that's been raging for at least 350 years, making it the largest storm complex in the solar system. If you lived on Jupiter, you would celebrate your birthday every 11.8 Earth years. And what a celebration that would be, amidst the spectacular storms of this giant planet. Jupiter's atmosphere is a turbulent place marked by colossal, oval-shaped storms. Imagine an infernal whirlwind, a tempest so mighty it dwarfs the wild cyclones on Earth. Welcome to the heart of Jupiter's stormy weather. These monstrous storms are formed by the planet's internal heat, which churns up the gases in the atmosphere, causing them to rise and create swirling masses of clouds. However, it's not just the heat that's responsible for these storms. Jupiter's rapid rotation, faster than any other planet in our solar system, plays a significant role in whipping up these formidable storms, giving them their unique oval shape. Now let's talk about the king of all storms, the Great Red Spot. This storm is a testament to the raw power of nature, even in the cold void of space. The Great Red Spot is an enormous, anti-clockwise rotating high-pressure system, a tempest of such magnitude that it makes our terrestrial hurricanes seem like gentle breezes. How big is it, you ask? Well, this behemoth is about twice the size of Earth. Yes, you heard it right. An Earth-sized storm would be catastrophic, but a storm twice the size of our planet is simply mind-boggling. And it's not just the size that's impressive. The longevity of the Great Red Spot is equally awe-inspiring. This storm has been raging on Jupiter for at least 350 years. It's a storm that has seen the rise and fall of empires, witnessed the dawn of the industrial age, the digital revolution, and mankind's first steps into space. So next time you look up at the night sky and see Jupiter, the third brightest object after Venus and the Moon, remember the tempestuous world beneath those serene, gaseous clouds. Remember the Great Red Spot, a testament to the wild and untamed nature of our universe. The Great Red Spot. A storm that's been raging for at least 350 years, imagine that. Jupiter isn't just a planet, it's also the name of a powerful Roman god. Let's delve into the mythology. The Roman god Jupiter, or Jove, was the king of the gods, ruling over the heavens and the earth. He was known for his thunderbolts and his eagle, symbols of his authority and power. Jupiter was the equivalent of the Greek god Zeus, and like Zeus, he was a god of light and sky, and protector of the state and its laws. He was the son of Saturn, the god of agriculture and harvest, and Ops, the goddess of abundance. The Romans held Jupiter in such high regard that they named the biggest planet after him, as a testament to his size and strength. The planet Jupiter, with its massive size, powerful storms, and prominent place in the sky, seemed to be a fitting tribute to the king of the Roman gods. Now you know, the largest planet in our solar system is named after the king of the Roman gods. After Venus and the Moon, Jupiter is the third brightest object in our solar system. That's right, this colossal planet, with its powerful storms and mesmerizing beauty, is visible right from our home on Earth. You might be wondering, how can we see such a distant planet without a spaceship or high-tech equipment? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Jupiter is so large and reflects so much sunlight that it shines brightly in our night sky. It's so bright, in fact, that under the right conditions, it can cast shadows on Earth. The best time to see Jupiter is during opposition, when Earth passes between the Sun and Jupiter. This happens roughly every 13 months. During this time, Jupiter is at its closest to Earth and fully illuminated by the Sun. It rises at sunset, peaks at midnight, and sets at sunrise, making it visible all night long. But what if you want a closer look? A pair of binoculars or a small telescope can do wonders. With these tools you can spot small specks of light orbiting Jupiter. These aren't stars, but Jupiter's four largest moons, known as the Galilean moons. Named after their discoverer, Galileo Galilei, These moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are little worlds of their own, each with unique features and mysteries waiting to be explored. And if you don't have binoculars or a telescope, don't worry. Even with the naked eye, you can still enjoy Jupiter's celestial show. Look for a steady bright light, brighter than any star. Its color is usually white, but can sometimes appear to have a slight reddish, yellowish, or even bluish tinge. Remember though that Jupiter isn't always visible from Earth. Its visibility depends on its position relative to the Sun. If you're eager to spot this giant planet, keep an eye on astronomy forecasts and plan your stargazing nights accordingly. Next time you see a bright light in the night sky, it might just be Jupiter and its moons. So go ahead, grab a blanket, head outside, and join the centuries-old tradition of gazing up at our solar system's largest planet. You won't be disappointed. What lies beneath Jupiter's turbulent clouds and storms? A question that has intrigued scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Let's journey to the depths of this gas giant and to its mysterious poles. Beneath Jupiter's thick, swirling cloud cover is an enigmatic place. Scientists believe that at the heart of this giant planet lies a dense core. Unlike the solid, rocky cores of terrestrial planets like Earth or Mars, Jupiter's core is thought to be a vast, super-hot, and super-pressurized mixture of elements. Picture a ball of hydrogen and helium, metals and rock, all squeezed together and heated to extreme temperatures. This core could be up to 20 times the mass of Earth. Now let's shift our gaze from Jupiter's core to its poles. The north and south poles of Jupiter are home to unique, mesmerizing storm formations. Unlike the singular oval-shaped storms we find elsewhere on the planet, the polar regions display multiple cyclones arranged in geometric patterns, an astonishing spectacle of nature. At the North Pole, scientists have observed a central cyclone surrounded by 8 others, forming a sort of cosmic daisy. The South Pole presents an even more impressive display with a central cyclone encircled by 5 others. These cyclones, with their blues and whites swirling in a dance of chaos and order, are unlike anything else we've seen in our solar system. But what causes these polar cyclones? The answer is still largely unknown. Some suggest the planet's rapid rotation and internal heat are the driving forces, but the exact mechanisms remain a mystery. The study of these storms and Jupiter's core is a testament to our ongoing quest to understand the universe. And so, as we continue to explore the cosmos, we are reminded of the complexities and wonders that lie beyond our own world. Jupiter's core and polar storms remain a mysterious complexity and wonder of our solar system. Let's take a moment to marvel at Jupiter's most fascinating facts. We've journeyed through the enormity of a year on Jupiter, which, to our earthly sensibilities, stretches almost 12 of our years. This prodigious planet holds time in its massive grasp, spinning a year into a long celestial waltz. We've braved Jupiter's tumultuous atmosphere, a tempestuous world of clouds, powerful storms, and lightning strikes. The planet, in its rapid rotation, whips up colossal oval-shaped tempests, the likes of which are unparalleled in our solar system. Let's not forget the Great Red Spot, that enormous, anti-clockwise rotating, high-pressure storm that has been raging for at least 350 years. It's a storm so vast, it could comfortably swallow Earth twice over. We've dived into the mythology of Jupiter, named after the king of the Roman gods. The planet's majesty, its size, and its brightness fittingly mirror the grandeur of its mythological namesake. We've glanced upwards from our home planet to find Jupiter as the third brightest object in the night sky, outshone only by Venus and our very own moon. With the aid of a telescope or even a pair of binoculars, you might catch sight of the Galilean moons, those specks of light faithfully orbiting their giant parent planet. We've ventured deep into Jupiter's core and observed the intriguing storm formations at its poles. The core, a mystery in itself, surrounded by an atmosphere that is home to unique weather phenomena at the north and south poles. So, let's take a breath and appreciate the wonder that is Jupiter. A planet that, despite its distance, has a direct line of sight from Earth, named after a powerful Roman god, a planet with a storm that's twice the size of Earth, and where a year spans almost 12 Earth years. Whether it's the raging storms, the Roman god, or the Galilean moons, Jupiter continues to captivate and intrigue us.